Of course, it is a lot more cost efficient than buying the real life data set or hiring someone to collect it. So, to give you an example, we've once been asked to go to the parking lots and just take the pictures of the cars that have damages. It was inefficient both in terms of money and in terms of time. Uh, Plus, in regulated sector, because this is the personal data, it costs a lot. One of our very first clients in 2020 was a healthcare app that used the skin diseases images. And the guy who was developing it, he had to collect this data. I think it was about 50,000 images over years from different doctors. Of course, it was a legit process, so they were paying for it and it was all, legally okay. But the fact that it took him long years and a lot of time and money essentially to collect this data set only to train his model on it. Plus, on top of that, we were asked to anonymize this data to highlight all the tattoos or scars or jewelry that can somehow identify a person. So that costs money too, of course. Now, of course, you have more and more data anonymization tools, but back in those days, there were no such things.